Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, one of my viewers has asked me a question that how to use before and how many uses are there of before. Okay, let's get started everyone. If I talk about the word before, it is really frequently used in spoken English. I think you may come across several situations every day where you have to use the word before. See, before works as a preposition, as in conjunction, as well as an adverb. Let's talk about preposition first, guys. See, if you talk about preposition, okay, so after the word before, you have to put a noun. This noun could be a normal word like it could be date, it could be time, it could also be verb. And if you want to turn the verb into a noun, then you have to put ing with the verb, which is called gerund. So you can say before 9 o'clock. So that 9 o'clock is a noun, before 9 o'clock. And if you want to put action, put ing with that. You can say before coming, before going, before eating, before dancing. So this is how you can use before as a preposition. Okay. So if you are saying that before coming to the park. So why will you say before coming to the park? What is the situation? So before coming to the park, it means you want to say something. You want to say some sentences. Whatever you do before coming to the park. It means you come to the park. That's okay. But before that, you must be doing something. So prior to that, prior to coming to park, whatever you do, if you want to express those things, then you can say that before coming to park, I get fresh. Before eating food, I wash my hands. So you can use before to express these things. Whatever you do prior to any action, means your action is eating food. Okay, you eat food, that's okay. But prior to that, do you just start eating food or you do something else and after that you start eating food? So you want to express those things, you have to say that before eating food, I wash my hands. You can also say that I wash my hands before eating food. You can make the sentences like this as well. Okay, so before plus verb plus ing. Okay, so before coming to park, I get fresh. Before going to gym, I pack my bag. Before going to computer classes, I have food. So are you getting what I'm saying? So you can use before plus verb ing in order to express that whatever you do, so before this you do something else. We want to express those things also. You can say that, okay, before doing my homework, I watch TV. So what are you saying here? You do homework, but homework is not your first activity. There is one more activity which you do, and that is watching TV. So you are going to express those things that before doing my homework, I watch TV. Okay. So here you can use before, it is working as a preposition and you are using action which is with ing, means gerund. Okay. Now you can also say before 9 o'clock, before the game, before the match. So here there is no action, it's just a noun. So before the match, I listen to music. I'm saying before any match, I listen to music. Before my class, suppose I take any class, I attend any class. So I'm saying that before my class, I I talk to my friends. You can make any type of sentences. So are you getting what I'm saying? Before means before plus any noun or before plus verb plus ing. So here the word before is working as a preposition. Okay. Now before is can be used also as in conjunction. If you talk about conjunction, so there you can say before and you can put one sentence which has subject, verb, object. Suppose before she comes here, before she comes here, she gives me call. What I'm saying? Before she comes here. Earlier I was saying before coming, before plus ing. But now I'm not saying before coming. I'm saying before plus full sentence with subject, verb, object. So here the word before is not working as a preposition. Here this word is working as a conjunction. Okay. So you can use this word as a conjunction in order to say the full sentence. You can say that she gives me call before she comes here. It means she does two activities. She comes here and she gives me call. But which is the first one? First she gives me call and then she comes here. So before she comes here, she gives me call. Okay. I go to temple before I do any other work. If I have to say before I do any other work, I go to temple. It means I do two activities. I do other work as well, but my first activity is going to temple. So I go to temple before I do any other work. So you can use here the word before as a conjunction when you have to speak full sentence. Before she could say anything, I started slapping her brother. So before she could say anything means she wanted to say something, okay, but what I did, before that, before she could say anything, I started slapping her brother. It means one activity was done by me and another activity was done by her. I mean, she said something and I slapped. There are two activities. But which activity took place first? My activity. It means before she could say anything, I started slapping her brother. So this is how you use the word before. And if you talk about adverb, so in adverb you can say that I have never been here before. Suppose I came to this place, okay? I came to this place and I am saying that, wow, such a beautiful place. You can say that, wow, such a beautiful place. I have never been here before. So here the word before is working as an adverb, okay? Adverb of time. So you can use this. Suppose you ate pizza. There is the guy and he ate pizza first time. He's saying that I had never had pizza before. Just before. You can say before. So before is here working as an adverb. Okay. Have you ever been to blah blah place before? You can ask the question like this. Okay. I have never seen such an accident before. So here the before word is working as an adverb. So I think you are getting what I'm saying. So whoever has asked me the word that how to use before must have understood that before is used as a preposition, and after that word you can put any noun, or if you're talking about action then you have to put the action in ing form, and it also works as a conjunction where you have to put full sentence subject verb object, and it also works as an adverb. You just have to say that I have never eaten this before, I have never seen such kind of thing before, like this, guys. Got it? So this is all about this video. I believe you must have liked it. So thank you very much, everybody. See you in another episode. Till then, take care, keep practicing and have fun. Thank you, guys.